Scene script. Ever found yourself standing in the gardening section of your local store, staring at a wall of seeds and seedlings, unsure of which to choose for your garden? The vast array of options can be overwhelming, but rest assured, there are some simple steps you can follow to ensure you're selecting the highest quality seeds and seedlings for your garden. Firstly, it's crucial to understand your garden's environment. What kind of soil do you have? Is it sandy, clay, or loamy? What is the pH level? How much sunlight does your garden receive each day? These are all important factors that can affect the growth and health of your plants. Next, consider the time of year. Certain seeds and seedlings thrive in specific seasons, while others may struggle. For instance, sunflowers and tomatoes love the summer heat, while cool season crops like broccoli and lettuce prefer the cooler temperatures of spring and fall. Thirdly, always check the expiration date on any packet of seeds. Seeds do not last forever, and their viability decreases over time. Remember, an out-of-date seed packet equals a less successful garden. Also, take note of the seed's origin. Seeds that are locally sourced are more likely to thrive in your garden as they are adapted to your specific climate and environment. Choosing the right seedlings can be a little trickier. Look for seedlings that are strong and healthy, with vibrant green leaves and sturdy stems. Avoid any with yellowing leaves, a sign of poor health or neglect. The size of the seedling can also be an indicator of its health. A taller seedling isn't necessarily better. In fact, seedlings that are shorter and bushier often transplant better and are more resilient. Lastly, consider the type of plants you want in your garden. Are you looking for vegetables to feed your family, flowers to brighten up your landscape, or herbs to add flavor to your meals? Each category has its own considerations when choosing seeds and seedlings, so make sure to do your research. In summary, choosing the right seeds and seedlings for your garden involves understanding your garden's environment, considering the time of year, checking the expiration date and origin of seeds, selecting healthy seedlings, and considering the type of plants you want in your garden. With these steps, you can turn that wall of seeds and seedlings from an overwhelming challenge into an exciting opportunity to create a beautiful and productive garden.